There are so many options available, it can be difficult to understand what's best suited for you. Therefore, we have spent countless hours researching and comparing popular models, to bring you the best window air conditioner for 500 square feet, in the market today. And this is the specifications of the product. Here's what stands out features can be found on this model. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below, and we will get back to you as soon as we can.